Alright guys, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go about leveraging my profile so that I can kind of get you to the shortcut. That way you got to hunt for people, like I did with showing you with the Legion way. Which, by the way, do that if you have a product or service that's congruent to the kind of prospect you're looking for in the Facebook search. Okay guys, so above this video, you'll see a button that says click here to leverage my friends by adding me on Facebook. So go ahead and add me. When you do, DM me that you purchased the FB Affiliate Influencer 2.0 course. DM me, let me know so I can approve you. And I'll just let anyone in, okay, guys? All right, so when you're finally approved to be my friend, okay, you want to go ahead and leverage the people that are engaging in my post. Okay, so basically you just go to my posts and you go through everyone. So you click on their profile and you look to see if they have big engagement, okay? And this person does. So already second post down, 69 engagement, 113 comments. And as you go further down, you got 91 engagement, 116 comments. I want you to also take a note of this, guys. Also take a note of the copy they write when they pitch. Okay, take a note for everyone you go through that to give you ideas. Okay, to give you ideas, and whatever ideas that resonate with you, go ahead and implement it. You want to model the people. You don't want to copy them outright. You want to model whatever style writing they're doing, and that's getting a ton of engagement. Model it, and you can turn it into a pitch towards the end. Just get creative with the wordplay. Okay, so I want to throw that out there. So she would be someone you would add. Okay, and you just go down the line, and you click on people, and you look at their engagement. If their engagement is weak, don't add them. If their engagement is huge, add them. Now, I'm not going to say that my dude, HL Young, that's my guy. He's been following me a while. Shout out to you, HL. Now, he don't have a ton of engagement. Only thing that data point is telling me is that he doesn't engage others much. Okay, that's all that's telling me. But I do appreciate him following me and engaging my stuff. So yeah, add him anyway, because that's my guy. You know, he's been following me for a while now, and I appreciate his support. But anyhow, typically you wouldn't add a person that doesn't have any engagement, but you can add HL just because it's my guy. Anyhow, go down. Let's see, Ernest Sled. You just go down. You just look through people, and you'll see. It's like, okay, 35 engagements, 27 comments, 73 engagements, 70 comments. That's a go. It's pretty close to 100. I typically look for 100 or over, but if you it's a better judgment thing. If you want to see what's going on with this, you can click on the people that are commenting here, and just see what's up. So yeah, he's got a ton of engagement. So what you would do is you would engage them. Okay, you would engage them here. I'm not going to do this right now through my profile. I'm going to show you other things. But basically, you would engage the first 5 posts deep, and then you would add them, leveraging my friends that are engaging me. Because then not only you're seeing they got big engagement, you see that they're my friend, and they're engaging me, and they have big engagement. So that means those data points, well, not so much that they're in fact my friend. I don't even know why I said that part. What I meant to say, the people that you're leveraging through me, you see they're engaging my post. Okay. And then you click through to them, and then you see their posts get a ton of engagement. So those data points tell you that they will engage you back. All right, that there's a high, super high probability that they will engage you back. So that's why you're leveraging me. That way you gotta hunt for people if you just want to get straight to it. You know what I mean? Because my friends list is targeted prospects as well. All right. Now I actually want to show you the purpose of this. Now that you've got a few friends in your feed leveraging me, what you want to do, go to the home feed, and you're looking for people in your home feed that have huge engagement. And I'm going to show you what to do when you find that person. Okay, we're going to try to look for someone in the hundreds. So kind of scrolling through. They're in here somewhere. Just bear with me, guys. Okay, scrolling through. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, let's see. I try to look for people that have. It was William Barcel. See, here we go, right here. We're going to use this one, and you can kind of read over the post to see what you can say, or use the speed key even. I'm going to tell you right now, if you don't read the post and you just heart note, but you see they got a ton of engagement and you use the speed keys, they are not going to care, guys, because they're getting a dopamine hit just with any node that's boosting their post further out in the feed. Okay, did you hear me? So I can do a smiley face and do 100, And because they have big engagement already, they're like, cool, thanks for, pushing my post out further again. And they're going to love it, guys. Okay. Now you can say happy Tuesday, happy Wednesday. Just be creative, guys. But typically when I'm doing this, I just kind of use the speed keys. And I already engaged her. So now that I engaged her post, I'll go to the people that are engaging her. And this is how you build your network with hyper engagers. And once you click through to the comments, and you scroll all the way down to the beginning of the comments, because I've noticed when you start from the bottom and work your way up, those are the people that you're not friends with. It seems like that's always the case. Okay, so now it stops there. So what I'll do is I'll click through, and remember what I told you in the previous videos? I think we already did show this guy on other video. We're looking through and seeing if he's our friend. He's not our friend. Okay, we just scroll through, and we're looking at the engagement. The engagement's looking great. That's pretty good. Okay, and we go. That engagement looks good. That's the second post. Here's the third post in. Decent engagement. This is real good engagement. So this is telling me, even looking at how often they post. 3 days ago, this was 2 days ago. This was 1 day ago. So it looks like they post every day. Yeah, they post daily. Looks like they post daily. So because they post daily, they don't have enough time for their post to marinate for the big number engagement. Okay. So that's one thing. Now that's one factor. Now there is other factors in timing. People may hit you up in 5 hours time, like 400 engagement. That happens too now. But to guarantee you will get big engagement, you have to space it out. Be mindful of the post you put, and the strategy I'm about to show you now is you space it out. You space it out in bigger time gaps so that you can get your engagement up. Okay, that way the perception of your profile is more attractive, if that makes sense. Okay. All right. So anyhow, all right. So you're friends with him. So anyhow, we're going through. I kind of lost y'all there for a second. Let me go back. So we found a person with big engagement. We already engaged her and commented. Then we look at her friends. I'm recapping now because I went on a tangent. Sorry, guys. Then you go through the people, go all the way to the bottom. Okay. All the way to the bottom. All right. Now we're all the way at the bottom. And what we'll do is we'll go to the first person. We're not his friend, so we go down. We already established that he has great engagement. Reason his numbers is not as big is because he posts frequently. That's really the only big reason. Okay. So now I think what is that, 5? I usually go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll stop right here. And I don't even read the post, guys. I want to show you what's going on. Remember what I was telling you about people that have a bigger engagement? They're not really tripping if you just give them a push of anything, because it's going to push their thing out, their message out further to the feed. So I'll just do like a sticky boom. That way I know I'm getting it done. And that's that person. Bam. Backspace. And I'll go up one. And you don't want to reuse the same ones. Do a heart. All right. And then I'll do the thing like this. Boom, boom. Go like that. So you're not thinking about it. And you got to understand, you're only doing this to people you're adding. So it's like you can rinse and repeat the same thing over and over and over again until you get to 400 engagement, 500 engagement, 600 engagement as you're adding friends. Okay, guys? But remember, you want to leave room for your ideal prospect while leveraging the hyper engagers to have your post high in the feed. Okay, every time they hyper engage you back, because they want you to reciprocate with their engagement because they know you're an engager as well. Okay, so let's see, what did I do just now? I meant, all right, I already engaged him, so I don't know if I did or not. I keep tangenting on you guys. So this is the second to last, I believe. And then I'll go do this, and you don't want to recycle the same ones over and over again. I'll just kind of do like this, something general. Do something general, and then do this. I think this is the last one. Okay, and I'll go back to this and look for another one. That's general. This one's general. High is general. Go like this. Okay, and it's not like they're gonna really mind. Some people will be weirded out with you. I've ran across them there so you will run across some rude people, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it's more so like 8 times out of 10. I don't want to say 9 times out of 10, more like 8 times out of 10, maybe 7 times out of 10. You'll have somebody test you and try to like trash on you and all. It's okay. Just keep it moving. You just block those people. But I'm telling you right now, people with big engagement, if you note them with general things, general stickers, they getting a dopamine hit from that, guys. Okay, because that's what it does to you. Social media, it does give you a dopamine hit. Now we already engaged 5 of his posts. Now you add them. Now you add him. Now there's a high probability he will engage the current posts. All right, I'm gonna show you one more. Now we added him. Then we go down on, and plus you're not adding the people fast. This also makes it look more uh, more authentic, like a real person is doing it, because you have to really be doing it to add people. So what we're looking for with this profile is her engagement. Okay, you see the engagement's kind of low. Engagement's kind of low. Just keep scrolling. Engagement's kind of low. So it looks like the engagement's not big enough for me to mess with. See, you don't want to write them off completely. They probably just post multiple times a day. Okay, that was 2 days ago, 1 day ago. Now, where does the bigger engagement jump? I guarantee there might have been more time for it to marinate. Now you see how this one's 148 comments, or 148 engagement, 82 comments. That was 5 days ago. Okay, so you don't want to write them off. You could look a little further down, but you can see it looks like it's more consistently not as big numbers. It's your better judgment really comes down to. So with me, I wouldn't add her. I backspace and I go down. And to keep in order, you notice how the next person that I'm going down to, you know how I have them just above where I write a comment? That's how I stay organized, guys, on my mobile device. So I'm like, all right, Faith is next. Boom. And then she's not my friend. Go down and look at the engagement. Look at the engagement. Look at the engagement. Okay, the engagement's kind of low. Okay, now the engagement's kind of low. That data point or those data points are telling me is that she's not as committed with engaging others. So I'll go down the line, then I'll line up the next person just above where it says write a comment so that I'm like boom, 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 boom. Everything's organized. I don't get lost on who I left off on. Okay, then I go to this person, then I look at their engagement. Looking at their engagement. Looking at their engagement. All right, so let's see. Ooh, you see, this is a sure. When you see people right with the first post and it says 1 day ago, they have 211 engagement, 300 comments. Automatically, they're going to add you back. It's like almost like a 99.9% chance they add you back and they engage you back right away. It's like this person is guaranteed to engage me back. So now that we get a winner that's big with a big number like that, and you need to realize the people with the big giant engagement will engage you back. That when they have giant engagement like that and it's consistently huge engagement, that is your cue that she will engage you back. I think I'm her friend. Am I her friend? Oh, okay. I thought it was. Anyhow, it must be a second profile unless she unfriended me. It doesn't matter. I'm just giving you an example anyway. You want to do this about 10 times a day. Okay. So we got with 10 people. Okay. You want to try to strive to do this with 5 to 10 people a day. Okay. So this will be the second person. All right, so we already see huge engagement. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I did friend request. She probably unfriended me because I kind of took a break on engaging. It could have been the case. I'm not. So a lot of these profiles with big engagement have a lot of software bots that remove friends. So she'll probably add me again. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's all good. So I'm just showing you the motions. Do this 5 to 10 times a day. And your engagement will skyrocket within the month, guys. All right, so do like this. Then you give her then you can do even an emoji, or no, not a gift. You can do a gift if you want. It's really up to you what you want to do. You can do an emoji. Let's see. We're just gonna go to the easy notes because people with big engagement, they get a buzz every time someone engages their stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and engage. Okay, this right here. All right, and I'm gonna do this. It's that second post, and then whoop, right here, do like this, and right here. So did that. I do high. Now, when you're doing this like this, where you're going over 5 of their posts, some people will act like an ass to you or be a dick to you because you're looking like a creeper. But I'm telling you, when the people have huge engagement, they're like getting a buzz off of it. They really are. And now you see how it gave me some speed emojis? I can do 100, boom. That way I'm not thinking about it. And then I go to the next one. I think there's one more. Nope. All right, and I go to this one. Hit the heart. And I'm going to just actually say something this time. Be blessed. Be blessed. Be blessed. And then do like that. Now, and then after you do that, you add them as a friend. Add friend. And you go down a line. You just keep doing it, guys. You do it 5, so that's number 2. Then you go number 3, number 4, number 3. Do that person. Number 4, scout that person. Number 5, scout that person. Number 6, scout that person. And you can stop at 5 or go to 10. You know, if you want to go hard, get your engagement up within the month fast, you got to let the posts marinate in big spaces of time. Be mindful of the posts and implement what I'm showing you. But leverage me. That way you can follow along and do how I'm doing. Okay. So now we did that, and we backspace, I think. All right. So I showed you what the deal was right there. Michael Harrington is another good example. He gets huge engagement, and he always engages me back. He also has software doing it for him too. Typically people with even huger engagement do have software automating the process for them. Okay, we have software too. It'll probably be at the bottom of the page if you want to go that route. Okay, to save you time. All right. So anyhow, that being said, you'll be able to see that at the bottom of the page. Okay, but I'm gonna show you now. We're on Michael Harrington. We can go ahead and click on Michael Harrington right here. And you remember how I said you go all the way down? All right, so that's the end of it right there. You would click on that person. Well, first you want to engage the people. All right. What I'll do is I'll engage them because I know I'm about to use their post to get more hyper engagers. Then I'll write a comment. And you notice it autofills. Yes, it absolutely perfectly said, well said, start. I'm going to just hit one of the speed keys. And believe me, guys, like I keep saying, I keep reiterating, drilling into you, because they have such big engagement. When you do just something basic like that it's in the speed keys, they do not care. They love it. They get a buzz off of it. They keep getting the dopamine hit off of it over and over and over again. All right. So if it sounds unrelevant or whatever, but the engagement is huge, it's just pushing the post out further. Okay, that's all it's doing. The post keeps going up in the feed. Okay. And the other hyper engagers engage them, and everybody reciprocates. Everybody scratches each other's back pretty much. That's why you leverage hyper engagers and regular prospects. Okay. And then I'll go through his friends, and I'll go to this person right here. And you see how you can't add him as a friend? You just skip out. You just move away. Do this. And this person I can't add either, so I'll just back up. Click on this person. This person only has follow, so can't add them. Keep going. Go here. This person you can only message, so do that. Go here. Oh, hold on. Do this. Go like this. All right. Now you see how this person I can add as a friend? Go ahead and see. Look at their engagement looks like. Engagement's kind of low. All right, here we go. That was the first one. Here's the second one. That's great. It looks like one day ago, so it looks like their engagement's going to spike up now. So second post, 97 engagement, 99 comments. Third post, 66 engagement, 74 comments. Fourth post, now they're close to 100. So yeah, you can go ahead and engage her first 5 posts deep. Then after you engage them and then comment, then you add them as a friend. Do that 5 to 10 times a day, guys. It's that simple. It's that simple, my friends. So that being said, hopefully you got a lot of value out of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next training video.